or something like that. I was just a toddler, only thinking of myself, dodging spray from massive waves as they slam into the rock shelf. Nature, remind me. Don't push the, sorry, my time at Kerry Greens and Bush Rangers Bay, and the boardwalk from the lighthouse, growing up out on the Cape. Yeah, nature will hide me. Memories remain, but those days are long gone. And if I can attain a reason why I still belong, nature reminds me. As I grew older, I spent my life out on the ocean, surfed it down a matter, and salt water was my potion. Yeah. Nature, remind me. Green's Bush, the perfect place when I needed to escape. Take a walk through Anthrocene, barefoot across the landscape. Yeah. Nature will find me. Well, those memories remain, but those days are long gone. If I can obtain a reason why I still belong, nature provides me. Son came, and his sister came as well. Can I keep myself contained as they play on the cliffs of hell? 'Cause those are the days, but these are the days as well. And new memories are made as history repeats itself. And now I tell my kids to let nature remind you, 'cause nature will guide you. Nature will hide you, and nature will find you. Woo! Thanks.
Fantastic.